guys, you watching another video. I literally just woke up from a nap. I've been so tired, bro. Like, I really feel that jet lag. And it's been like 2 days since we landed. I still feel tired. Like, it's still trying to adjust to the time, but we're in the G80 today. I was gonna bring the F80 out again, but yesterday I drove the F80 in the vlog, and I just haven't really given any love to the other cars. All I drive is the F80 now. We also got this thing washed today, so it's all freaking clean, inside and out. Shout out to my boys, Essential Auto Spa. My boy David came through super early. I was gonna bring the F80 because Mr. Chris pulled up in his F80, so it would have been cool to drive both our cars, but he doesn't feel like driving. So
all clean.
Habibi.
بتحكي عربي؟
You missed me or what?
بتحكي عربي بقى؟
I didn't learn any Arabic out there. I still only know the cuss words.
حرام.
And we made it, guys. We made it to another little car event here. I've never been here before, but this place is super cool. It's like a little, I don't know, like man cave? I don't even know, bro. It has a basketball court. We're gonna check it out right now. But Mark actually threw this car meet. There's a lot of loud music too, which kind of sucks. As you guys know, I can't really vlog with loud music. I don't want to get copyrighted. So I don't know how I'm gonna film these cars, but I'm gonna try my best. Let's check out the cars outside before we go in there. It's super packed. Damn, E36. What's up, bro? What the? This is your new car, what?
Yes, sir.
She looks like you're ready to drift it. Damn, that's crazy. That thing is sick. And then Charles also brought his E36, his wide-body E36. You guys saw this in that phone too. Check out the seats in here. My boy got F80 seats in here. No way. They actually look so good in there. Charles's car is sick. We actually rode in it one day in one of the older vlogs, if you guys remember. All the E36s. Bunch of BMWs. This is pretty sick. Clean. Super clean F80 over here with HREs. That is fire. Some TEs on the M4. That looks good too. It's cool to see no carbon roof sometimes, huh? Like, that's what I noticed right off the bat, the white roof. But wow, that F80 is beautiful, bro. Sheesh. Guys, the music's way too loud, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog this at all. 2025 right here in like a midnight purple. And then we parked the G80 right in the front. There was no parking. I had to park just right there. The G80 looks so clean right now. I love when this car is washed, bro. The wheels are actually gloss black. They're not brown. This car has the worst brake dust, bro. I miss the G80 so much. Well, the music's way too loud, bro. I can't film at all.
It's a kill, but look.
There's a lot of sick cars here. I know, look at this R8, bro. This is like one of the most beautiful R8s I've ever seen.
I feel like you do it like this.
This is insane, bro.
You're insane.
You're insane.
I've not seen you. Stop. I've been gone in Dubai.
Bro, it's way too loud here. This sucks. This thing is sick, bro. It got the underglow. It actually has some BBSs on it. Carbon hood, carbon roof. Fire. And look at this wing, bro. A huge wing on it. That is insane, guys. Like Kevin said, this is exactly what I would do to mine, bro. I'd build something like this. Guys, look, we made it inside. This place is crazy. I don't really know what it is, bro. Like, look, they got like games over there. I'm telling you, it's kind of like a little man cave. But we got Mark's F80 looking super good. He finally wrapped the ski box matte black to match the car. If you guys remember, it had like Austin yellow accents on it, but now it's all blacked out. It looks really, really good. They got them parked right here in the middle of the whole garage. We got Daniel's car over here. It looks so sick with the underglow. When I had the underglow on my F80, I feel like I didn't use it all the time. Like, I would forget I had it. Here's that crazy wrapped M4. It looks like it's all like painted on. It's kind of crazy. This thing's just so loud, guys. I can't film, bro. I can't get over that R8 too. I just met the owner right now. He said he watches all my videos and he's down to let me drive the R8 for a video. That would be super sick. I told him I'm down, but you don't gotta ask me twice. Porsche is so clean. White on white. I kind of want to do the white on white look on my F80, guys. Big old wing on it. Sheesh. Bro, this is actually fire. I feel like Porsches need huge wings like this. Like, they look so good with the big old wing. Like, not even a small wing, bro. You need a big ass wing on a Porsche. It just looks crazy. I don't know what this place is, but look at all the shoes. Crazy shoes here. These are hard. I actually like those. Kevin parked right here. If I would have came earlier, I could have parked inside, but you guys know me. I'm always late to everything. This thing is sick. Full carbon fiber in the engine bay. Everything's carbon, even back here. Look at that. That's clean, bro. Obviously on bags with the Workmeisters. F80 seats in here too. I feel like F80 seats are like the best looking seats, huh? Besides the new carbon seats in the G80s, these seats just look super nice. I would throw them in the E92 all day too. It's crazy that Charles has them in the E36. Look, they're having a little basketball game here. What the? This place is crazy. Look how sick this place is. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour because I'm taking a tour for myself too. What the? Look at this place. Somewhere to come chill with all your homies. This is goals. Imagine having this. I would be here all day. Have all the homies pull up, park our cars outside. Have like a little wash bay or something. This will be a vibe. I want to open something, guys. Like open another shop, not for business. You know, I had a wrap shop before that didn't end well. But I want to open my own shop to just chill with the homies. Like I think it'll be cool. Set up like a little hangout area, maybe like a racing simulator, like a man cave, you know what I mean? Something like this though would be fire. They got like a little bar over there. I would definitely take some ideas from this place because the vibes are sick in here. What the? What is this, bro? This room looks a little creepy, not gonna lie. This should look like Insidious or something. Annabelle. I feel like Annabelle's about to come out of somewhere. Look at this little place so you can come and hang out. I don't even know if you're able to come over here, but I want to look. What? You play golf? No way. Damn, look at that. How'd they even build this? You can have like photo shoots in here. Wow, this place is crazy. I don't know what this place is, but it looks insane. They have like a little shop in here too. This will be fire. We can have like an indoor, in-person like Finding Nick shop. That would be sick too. Put all the merch. I don't play golf, but if I did, I know this is probably super fun. All right, I'm gonna try to vlog out here real quick. I know the music's so loud, but yeah. How did he get that plate, bro? That's the sickest plate. Got my boy Beamer Fam's M4. I know this front end gets a lot of like mixed controversy, but I like it, bro. It's different. There's no other M4 out there that looks like his. He got the white buckets. It's also manual. One of the only homies that I know that has a manual one, but I like it, bro. Different kit than everyone else. I love the color too. He wrapped it all by himself. I know that's not an easy car to wrap, bro. I think that's the first car he's ever wrapped, and it came out good. E30 M3, M2 in like a pink color. The sick E46 that I see everywhere, bro. I see this thing at every car meet. I feel like me and him go to all the car meets, bro. Yeah, I like the wheel setup on this thing. Look at that. The fat tire setup. I love meaty tire setups, guys. I think it just makes the car look so aggressive. But Yas Marina, like Hugo's car, I can't believe Hugo found this color, bro. Like, it's such a sick color. One of the best colors on these cars, for sure. Should we go play some basketball? Hell no, I'm trash at basketball, bro. What the? This thing looked like a McLaren at first, but it's a Lotus with some BBS's. That is fire. Got a sick F80. Damn, this thing is nice, bro. It has a roll cage in there just like my car. Damn, I like the seat delete. It has a little M logo too. Boy, I would do this with like the FN logo. That would be fire. I don't know if you know me, but yo, let me know the details, bro. I gotta get the seat delete. I would do my car exactly like this, bro. You got the racing seats in here too. Yeah, this thing is super nice. Clear tails too. Here's my boy's F80. One of the sickest F80s, bro. The E88s with the full roll cage. All right, I guess they're taking us in the back. Damn, this place is crazy. What is this place, bro? Yeah, this is insane.
So this is what they do. They like the one-off shoes. They make shoes for everyone. They make shoes for Heineken. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Dude, that is insane.
It looks fun.
That looks
looks so
crazy.
real.
I want one of those, bro. So many like custom shoes here. I'm sure you guys know these ones. Damn. This place is crazy. Oh! That's so cool.
Can you wear it?
Can I hold it? Yeah.
Bro, that shit's insane, huh?
No way.
Shoe slinky.
Made me think of cards.
Bro, did you like play music with me?
Oh my god.
Alright, so we're back outside. That little like hidden room is so sick. So that's where they actually like make deals happen with like celebrities and big artists, rappers, all that stuff like that. As you guys seen, there's a lot of like famous people's shoes in there. They don't really want me to talk about it, but you guys saw it. They let me film it, which is really cool. But I guess what they do is they build shoes from scratch, and they do custom shoes. Look, custom shoelaces, materials, leathers, like everything you could think of. Super creative with everything. But here's like an example. Fully custom colors, materials, everything like that. Look, they even got like the rope laces. Oh, how do I buy these, bro? I look, you would buy these right now. Look at all the Nike logos. Damn, this is insane. You can just make your own shoe. But back there is where they do like the celebrity shoes and stuff. Hugo! Bro, Hugo should try to go up the curb right here.
Yeah, you should.
We had to move my car because someone had to get out, but my boy Dandy pulled up. Dandy pulled up in the G80. Look at this M2. I think it's pretty cool, the wrap. Both of them. That's an M2, but there's two M2s. The Xavier Wolf's car, as you guys saw, Xavier Wolf was in there right now with us. But he brought the F80 out. That's his girl's car. There goes Charles. How did I know he was gonna do that, bro? Your turn.
Later.
Your turn. Andy's car looks crazy. Look at that. The wheel setup. He got the Agile bumper now too. Sheesh. Must be nice. Let me have it. My boy Blue. My boy Blue.
I told you, Nick.
That's crazy.
Bro, this is perfect. Like literally the most perfect R8 I've ever seen, bro.
Goals.
I know.
My favorite part is the wing, though.
Yeah, the wing is fire, bro.
Look at his light. Look at his light.
It's honestly huge, but damn, that shit looks sick.
Bro, that shit looks so
Bro, when it turns on, it's insane. It dances, bro.
That is fire,
That is
actually.
insane.
Look at the signal. The turn
yeah,
signal.
what the heck?
Crazy.
Dude, I want it. I want this bumper, bro. I feel like with the bumper though, you need the carbon hood too. Like the carbon hood and the Agile bumper combo is fire. I would even go to the extent to do the carbon fenders. Imagine he did carbon fenders and carbon doors, bro.
Oh, yeah. You gotta know, you man.
Is that your horn?
Battle card.
What the? I thought you were your horn, bro. It's Hugo's old car.
Literally my own car, brother.
That color's nice.
Oh, no,
brother.
but this one's clean, though.
That food's stock.
Aaron's ribbit. Ribbit, Aaron.
Aaron does not care, bro.
I should low-key move my car. My car is going on here.
Nah, they were good. This is insane, bro. I love the little wide body fender in the front. That is nice. I like the no wing, bro. Damn, dude. It actually looks sick without the wing.
The best car here.
Even though I love big ass wings on the Porsches, that shit look good without it. Then you got the two different headlights. That's right.
Oh, yeah. Bro, I know what you think about yours.
I know. This shit is hard. Where's my E46 at, bro?
Pieces.
I forget I even have one, dude. That shit is sick, though. The color's fire. Sheesh, another one. That's the wing you want, huh, Kevin?
I like that wing.
Nah, I think I gotta go bigger wing.
Yeah, I don't
That's
like
just
that
too
wing.
small, bro.
It needs to be bigger, yeah. I agree.
If you're gonna go wing, you gotta go crazy, I
Yeah.
feel like.
I know.
What is it?
Subtle wings that are clean and low.
Hey, what do they call you in the chat?
What?
George Lopez?
What a,
Oh, George Lopez.
Can you say a joke? Can you say a joke?
you know what? I used to look like him.
For real?
Yeah.
Dandy hats.
You know, in the cut.
He walks up with the music and everything.
I'm doing a collab with Dandy, guys. Bro, it's really loud,
He
honestly.
just come to every day just to rap. I don't get it, bro.
He does.
Get it.
No, bro, stop.
Stop!
Alright, guys, we're playing basketball now. Bro, give the ball to Kevin. Kevin, Kevin thinks it's an NBA. Guys, now we're about to grab some food with all the homies. We got a bunch of people with us. There is Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Mocos. so loud in the tunnel, watch. I know, I'm gonna just let everyone pass us, watch. Oh my god, there's a cop, bro. Oh my god, there's a cop. Cop, bro. There's a cop behind us. Yeah, I don't know, guys. There was a cop on a motorcycle. I don't know if you guys saw him or not, but he messed up the whole tunnel, bro. The tunnel was supposed to be crazy. Manual. Like, it looks like a, I don't know, a video game or something. All the BMWs. Imagine both my red ones on too. I know. Alright, we're about to grab some gas before we go get some food. Look how many BMWs there are. Literally every make and model. Got an M2, E92, sick F80s, M4s. Got everything, bro.
Fuck him up.
Yeah, Eris flew by the cop, bro.
If he wouldn't burst onto the lane, he would have gone behind you.
Yeah.
Where's Danny?
He's already almost there.
Yeah, see?
But yeah, the cop kind of ruined it.
Right before the tunnel.
We were supposed to do downshifts in the tunnel.
That was crazy.
The tunnel was gonna be sick, bro. Look, it looks like Fast and Furious right now. Look at Vin Diesel over there.
That's Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel and George Lopez.
Paul Walker.
Kevin hates it.
George Lopez.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.